She give me a scalp. Okay, Mary. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. It is a braided wig from Amazon, and I got these wraps from Joann Fabric. Go budget baddie. So if you are tired of paying $500 for 3-week braids and you don't like bleaching knots on your wig, but you want that bleach knot look, I got you, sis. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, we are doing an Amazon braided wig, and we are trying some new products with this wig. So first up, this is the wig that I'm showcasing for you guys today. They are burgundy twists, and they do have that stitching on the wig. So before you ask, the braids in the back are stitched down to the unit to give it more of an illusion that the wig is covered, but it's not. So before you think you can pull this wig up and not see track, if you take that string off, you're gonna see track. Do what you need to do to kind of make your wigs work. Y'all gonna see later in the video, I'm more likely gonna do a wrap on this wig, but we'll get to that part. This is how the cap is looking on the inside. It does come with, I think it's a 13x4 lace frontal. It's not really giving a lot of side action. You mainly get that parting space in the middle, which I'm not too worried about because again, it's a braided wig, so I don't plan on doing any extra parting on this unit. It also comes with the elastic band already in the unit. Is it adjustable? Yes, it is. And it has the adjustable straps in the back. This unit is big head friendly based on how flat my hair is. So you plan on putting this over a bush? Maybe not. Don't try to do the ponytail in the back. That's not gonna work either, okay? Pin that joint under, make it flat. The cap construction is pretty simple. It's very well made. The twists are very neat. And the ends are pretty much, I was about to say they were burnt, but they're not. I'm pretty sure they're like molded or something, or some type of set. I feel like you could put the rollers on the ends of these and dip them in hot water and it may curl it. Maybe. That's another video. But I also have the wig knots healer. I got 2 different colors. Thanks to my girl Mary, hey Twinny, she put me onto this wig and this product. So as soon as she posted this video on her channel, I went and bought it. So I bought these products and this wig a while ago. I can't remember when. The date will be somewhere on the screen. I've been eyeballing this wig and this product for a minute now. I hope this product is still good to use. Let me take this off. It's like little roll. Are these the same color? No, it can't be. They may be too light for me. I got shades 1 and 2, and I don't know which one is 1. Dang it. I think 1 is lighter. Well, that kind of sucks. Why didn't you put the number on the top so I can know which one? So it has the product on one end and then it has the brush on the other, so you can brush the product in. It says, turn your lace wig closure inside out. Gently apply product to the parting line of your lace wig or closure. Use the brush to cover it in, cover the knots. Repeat steps 2 and 3, achieve the effect you want. Apply the wig after the knots heal or have dried completely. Okay, so I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna brush it in, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer to dry it down. So I don't need to heat this product up based on what that's saying. Let me use this, see the difference? So yeah, I'm gonna use the color number 2. I don't wanna take too much time with this. I'm trying to go. I got some shopping to do. It's October and the kids want a whole bunch of decorations for Halloween. My youngest son, KP, really wants a spider web. So I gotta go find a daggone spider web at the Dollar Tree because I ain't spending a bunch of money on no daggone spider web. I can make a spider web. Hold on, let me put on some chapstick. My lips are, ooh, crackish. Look at my little wig head. Hey, Brenda. Come on, Brenda. Come on, Brenda. Work with me, child. Brenda does have a 23-inch head as well. So we in this gang together. Come on, Brenda. Sheesh. So I said color number 2, right? So it said you just wipe it on like that. Gently apply product to the parting line of your lace wig or closure. That looks messy, but I'm gonna brush it in. Dang, it's coming off. Come on, Brenda. I was able to put it on my head just fine. Rub it all in with the brush. Then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry it on warm and high. All right, let's just take her off because she struggling on Brenda, child. Okay, that's looking, it looks like I bleached my knots. That's what it's looking like. Now you can see in the back here, I didn't use any other products. See right in there? There's no product in there, but you can see right here, she give me a scalp. Okay, Mary. All right, let's put it on. I'm gonna try to be good today and not take off all my daggone baby hair because I kind of want to utilize those. All right, so she's not bad. Uh-oh, where am I going? Right here. I probably could do a darker shade, but I'm not mad at how this blended the knots in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off. I'm gonna have to wipe some of that off. I'm gonna have to use my contour because it is a little too light. The lace does seem super dark I didn't think it was that dark, but I was wrong. You can literally see that on my hand. So if you're darker than me, this may be perfect for you, but it does come off ashy on my skin tone. So using the lace tint spray may kind of color correct that a little bit. Okay, let's see, try to work this ear tab over. So I want to keep the little bang on here. How do I want to do this? I'm going to use Nairobi Mousse around the hairline first. Kind of switch these a little bit. Take these glasses off. Work these in before I tie this down. Come on, curl up for me. Curl up for me, child. I can tuck some of them back into the wig. This one can probably go back into the wig. So I'm just going to take it and twist it around like this. There we go. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Wrap it down, wrap it down. God dang, come on. Tie it to the back. Diamonds in the back, sun rooftop. I'm gonna go ahead and do a light makeup look, come back, and then we'll style up the rest of the wig. I think it's gonna be cute, y'all. Let's see what we gotta do to this hairline. Let's take off this wrap. I may have to spray her down. She looked good on this side, but I can definitely see that line over there. I need to do a little contour. Right up in here. It's a little color correcting, that's all. I don't know if they have a darker shade. If they do, I will pick that up. It's giving over bleach knots. That's the vibe that I'm getting around the front. Take the clips out. Gotta fix my glasses over top of my lace. Come on, come on, work with me. That lace is still kind of janky. Let me see. Let me just cut some of this off. There we go. Cut off what you don't need, y'all. I'm gonna use my mousse on top just to lay down those flyaways. Lay it down, lay it down. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Very simple, very easy to put this wig on and get it together. I'm still showing you guys my up style, but I do like it down and all to the back like this. It's definitely giving me fresh braids. I still gotta work on, you know, my placement of my curly cues, but for the most part, I think she looks just fine, and I could definitely rock her like this outside. But before I go outside, let me do the up style really quick. I have no glue on this wig, and like I said, the twists are attached on the sides, so they're gonna kind of buckle when you pull them up. So, you know, be mindful of that. But this side is coming up pretty nicely. Use my little twist right here. Pull it all up, pull it all up. Now I did go to Joann fabric, and I got a ½ yard of each color that I wanted. Some of these are not stretched, like this one has a little stretch to it, but not really. But I got this color for that one. I got a yellow one. I got a brown one, a green one, and this like burnt orange color. And then I got these two. These are stretch. So this one stretches really nice, and so does this one. I have another cream one, but it's somewhere else right now. But I also got this one. I feel like it looks just like this one, but the pattern is a little different. I don't know if you guys can see the pattern, but there's a slight pattern on that. So for this look, I think I want to do this stretchy brown one. I could also use the non-stretchy one just because it won't give me too much slack. Meaning I won't have much to wrap around. So let me get it all up on my head first. Wrap it down, wrap your wig down to your head. Bring down my curly cues because I do want to use those. Bring that down. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go right now. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Wrap and twist it. Okay, like that. I'm gonna bring it to the back. Tied in a knot. Nope, I don't want that hair in there. Come on out. Cut out. Tie that up, and then I'm gonna tuck it back to the front like so. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Where's the bow? Here we go. Here we go. Take this bow out, bring that up like that. Take my bow, put it right there, get a little bit more height. There we go. Make sure my curly cues are down. Now look. Come on, Janet. It's a little crooked because I haven't did the ponytail, but y'all get the point, okay? You get the point. busted a sweat up in here. Sheesh. Cute? Yes? No? I don't care. Hey, so go to Joann, get your fabric, go to Amazon, get your wig, and you'll be good to go. Trust me. But that's what I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit and the products that I use down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.